the olive oil on. That spins for a very long time. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at what olive oil can do to your vacuum engine, or any engine in general. Now, I have applied standard olive oil, as you can see, just any olive oil from Market Basket or whatever. It doesn't have to be extra virgin or anything, it just has to be olive oil. But this is, I've found one of the best lubricants there is, because I've been talking with Everything But Mechanics, and he suggested that don't use WD-40, don't use any oil-based lubricants, because they will destroy your Legos. They ruin plastic, and you don't want that. So he recommended using olive oil, so I did. And the results are amazing. Trust me. And I have applied it right now, and the engine can spin very freely, and it smoothly comes to a stop. And yeah, so the places that you may want to apply the olive oil is right here, where this shaft enters the crank, and this valve crank right here, as well as right in there. So where the connecting rod meets the crankshaft. Well, also you would want to apply it on the cylinder walls and on the valve itself. Now this will significantly improve the performance of your engine and also reduce wear for long period usage. Now, I've found that this can also increase RPM as well as torque, because higher RPM means higher torque. So yeah, I'm going to run this for you and show you how well it actually performs compared to the other video that I did on this engine, where it was a lot noisier and didn't rev as high. Now, I will point out that this is on the performance tune with the valve holes here, without any extra restriction, air restriction. I'm gonna just let this engine loose and see what it can do. So yeah, let's do it. Alrighty, so I'm going to turn on the vacuum and run this engine. I'm gonna do a bit of revving, and I'll show you what olive oil can do to this engine. So as you can see, it comes smoothly to a stop. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And remember, don't use oil-based lubricants. They are bad for your Legos. They will break them. They will ruin them. They'll melt them. Use olive oil, as it is not oil-based, even though it's called olive oil, but it's very good at lubricating. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you all in the next video.